Hi, it's me again. This will be a little quick video, neat little trick a lot of you might not think of. In the previous video, I did this with the blend and they came on the inside, so we did a contour and it came on the inside. But it's really, really close, but it's still over the edge. If the ears don't matter in size, we're going to nudge that end out of the way. We're going to hit the plus key and nudge it over again. This is all one group, as you can see. We're going to turn this black. I don't really think you have to, but we're going to move it over, select it all, and go right here to front minus back. Well, that didn't work. Maybe I didn't grab it all. Front. Okay. I backed up. Maybe I don't have. Okay, they're not all grouped together. They got to be grouped together because so Control G. Go front minus back, and here's the reason I kept that copy. Because now I can move these, and now they're right on the edge. Well, that one's going to look funny, but if you had them all lined up before, I don't think he needs that many of them anyway. But if they don't really matter how long they are, then you could do something like that. Even if, well, let's just do the E that's even closer to the right size. Remember we locked the E in the previous video, so we're going to unlock it. Let's move it out of this way. I'm just nudging it. Hit the plus key on the keyboard and move it out of the way again, make another copy. Let's see if this is together, and it's not. So we need to group it together, go to Object, Group, Control G, and let's move our black to there. Back, front minus back. Move that over, and now the red part is exactly off the edge perfectly. Anyway, just a little insight. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.